Alright, welcome back guys. So after that whole truck maintenance, the pallet of the parts for this truck is about to arrive any minute, and the truck's dirty. I already got both the other cars washed yesterday. It's really freaking cold out, but we're getting new parts on it. We gotta have the truck at least cleaned on the outside. So this will just be a quick video. Try to knock out the truck wash first, and then the pallet should arrive any minute. Finally arrived, and here we go. New set of wheels and tires from Custom Offsets just got delivered. Yeah, super excited. I don't want to show you guys yet or what, but I think we're gonna slap these on and go from there. If you see it in the fast video, you see it in the fast video. Well, if you guys see it with the music playing when installed, then you see it. If not, I'll give you a better look once they're all on. All right guys, so just my luck, I cannot find the wheel locks for the life of me. Just a normal 7-spline socket to take the wheels off. So now I gotta go to Discount Tire and hopefully have one available to buy, because yeah, can't put the tires on if I can't get them off. So I don't know what to tell you guys, but hey, it happens. All right guys, Discount Tire hooked it up. It fits right here. That's them. I've been going there for a long time, so yeah, they hooked me up. Heck yeah. So now I'm just gonna drive back, and we'll get it lifted up, and we'll just get to work. Oh, I'm driving home, taking into account that view right there. Wow, it looks pretty cool to me from here. I don't know about it looks a lot better in person. I don't know about on camera, but I'll try to zoom in on it. But man, snow's coming in. See a little bit on the mountaintops there. Oh, let's see over there. Yeah, but yeah, sure is a nice day. But it's getting cold for here. Alright guys, I don't know if you've seen it while I was rolling it around. Probably did, I don't know. But anyways, we got it all on. Nice, better offset. It doesn't stick out as wide, but I didn't want to go, I want to go a little less aggressive because I was getting a lot of rub on those tires. But now I gotta clean all this up, which isn't too bad. But here we go. Man, I like it. Had to go with the bronze, you guys know me. So anyways, here's a spec I did on these ones, guys. These are fuel wheels. I went from an 18-inch, or my last ones were 20-inch. I went to an 18-inch. They are 9 wide, I believe. I already forgot. I believe they're 9 wide and -12 offset. Yeah, so anyways, went with that. Now the last ones, they had 35s on there, so I went ahead with another set of 35s. But this is what I went to, is 35, 1250, R18. And because this is all, I had to get all 4, obviously. And it's spendy, so I went with the Venom power. I looked at the ratings. The ratings were pretty good. I want to get the Nitto Grappler, Ridge Grappler, I think they're called, but I was going a little bit more on a budget, just because this truck is taking a lot of work. So, but anyways, the ratings are really good. It is a XT, which I guess all-terrain and mud. So yeah, maybe we'll take it out and take another photo of it. But man, it's looking good. The truck is getting there, guys. It is getting there. I know it's a little different from what I normally do with the car, but I think really what you'll see is, you'll see my little signatures from transferring from here to there. Obviously the bronze wheels already, so little details that I can focus on. But yeah, there you have it, guys. I'm all done for the day. Well, I mean, for the video wise, I gotta clean up this mess, but figure out what I'm gonna do with those old tires. Now those are on 20s, they're 35s. If you're interested, let me know. But 2 wheels do need new tires, and they're kind of spendy. That's why I just said for a little bit more. I just went ahead and replaced them all. I've been wanting bronze wheels, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, thank you for watching. Peace.